This is the JOYSTAR Kids Bike. This is the blue version. We've had it for a couple years now. Both of our sons have ridden it. Our older son doesn't ride this one anymore. Now our younger son rides it. He's 4 now, but he started riding it when he was 3. It's nice. It's got everything you want to. It's got reflectors on the wheels. It's got a reflector on the front and rear. The seat is nice and cushiony. I mean, it's obviously, ours is kind of worn because it's fallen over a few times, but this is a handle here. So if you need to help with riding, there's a handle on the back of the seat. That's kind of a nice feature. These aren't the original training wheels. We bought some extra ones after the fact. The other ones, we lost them, so we put these ones on. So any training wheels will fit on this bike, no problem. Honestly, one of the best parts about this bike is this cog and chain cover. There's really no way for like a shoelace or anything to get caught in there. It goes all the way around the back cog in the rear. And even on the inside, there's a guard here too as well. So it's really difficult to have like, an accident that you might not want your son or daughter to get involved with the bike and trying to learn how to ride. That's just really a great feature about the bike that we like. These aren't the original handle grips either. They were brown. We replaced them with these black ones that kind of have a topo graphic on them. Pretty cool. And then we added a Hornet. This is a Hornet Mini, which is a sound making device. Pretty cool. You can switch to the different sounds. There's like 25 different ones. And it's also a headlight on the front as well. This takes like 2 AAA batteries or something. Pretty cool. So we kind of decked it out a little bit, but it's served us really well. These are great bikes. This one's a 14-inch. They go all the way down to 12-inch, I believe. 12, 14, 16, 18-inch, and 20-inch. Standard tires fit on it. This is our second set of tires for the bike. And they also are available in a bunch of different colors. This one, blue, obviously. But there's like an ivory, a pink, white, I believe, silver, and a black with decals on it. These bikes are great for any toddler just learning how to ride a bike. I check the size and dimensions for your kid to figure out which size is the most appropriate based on their age and height and go from there. But these are great.